2006 W211. This is the E350 class, E-class. This is a first we want to remove this cover right here. This is for a bad secondary air pump, which is this guy right here. These particular years, these 211s are these pumps are notorious for going bad on them. Sometimes the fuse, which I believe is the F62 over there, sticks open, causing this to stay running, and it burns out. It seizes the impeller inside here. So dealer is quoting between $1,100 and $1,500 to do a simple job. Anyone can do this. A monkey can do this with his both his hands tied behind his back. Just remove this hose right here. I started taking it off already. Take it off from here. You also want to disconnect this little hose right here. Carefully pop it off right there. You got one bolt here. You got one bolt back there. You got 3 down here. I started taking them off already, but I'm just showing you. There's 3 other bolts down there, and then one far on the bottom down there. See that right there? I already took them off already. I haven't done these yet, but just to give you an idea. So again, this is an 06 W211 E350, and it's the secondary air pump that goes bad. This causes all kinds of trouble, causes the engine to run rough. Fuel economy suffers. Again, it causes the engine to run erratically. So you want to disconnect this guy right here, this plug right here, right? So, and then disconnect these, get these 2 bolts out of here, the remaining 2 bolts, and get that pump out. All right, so once you got that bolt off, on those 3 bolts on the bottom off, these 2 bolts up top, you got the hose disconnected from there to there. Carefully want to pull it out. You want to carefully go up and pull it out, because you got 2 plastic hoses right here. Remember, this is gonna sit behind those 2 hoses there, right? It's gonna, you can see right there. Sorry about that. It's gonna sit right behind these 2 plastic lines there. See the bolt right there on the bottom where it sits in there? So you want to be careful not to snap those lines there. And then you pull it out carefully. There's no need to clean this up or blow it out of there, because you don't want to risk of getting any contaminants inside there or inside of here too. So just leave it as is. It's all right. So carefully, you want to pull out these 3 bolts right here. Took these 2 off already right here. All right, get this out. Then you want to get this bracket out of here carefully. All right, get rid of this bitch. All right, so here's the new pump right here. All right, so gonna get this bracket back on that one. See what happens. All right, like I mentioned to you earlier, get it in there carefully. You want to get it in between this pipe, these 2 pipes here, and the engine right here. So carefully slide it in there. You gotta work your way around this part here too. Carefully slide it in, and there you go. Yeah, like a dumbass, I forgot to take this part out. All right, so get this hose in here. All right, but you get the idea. This is where it's supposed to go. I forgot to take these protective caps off. So I don't know if the camera can pick up on it, man, but it just cleared. Yeah, I can't see. But you get the idea, right? All right, let me put the camera down for now.